Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour. I will use this adjustable split cup that will be available soon. Hopefully, we're waiting for this for so long, but it's not up to us. When I'm talking us, it's Fluid Art Co. and us, and I will use some reds and oranges and try to create something nice. I will teach this technique in Dublin on Feb this June and in Washington DC in August, so if you want to learn, join Fluid Art Boutique. We will have some fun meeting each other, paint. It's always, those events are always fun. So I have vermilion hue, black, cadmium orange. I will not fill up the cup to the top because it's too big for this 12 by 12 inch canvas. This is white, and I have some Indian yellow. And some primary yellow. Okie doke. So this is how my cup looks, and let's create something nice, shall we? Okie doke. I will add just some white around. Just a little bit, don't need a lot, because I have enough paint on the canvas. My camera died. I don't know why. I hope that you be able to saw that on the other camera. I'm still not sure about the orientation. Probably this is the orientation that I prefer. Hopefully it will dry till tomorrow, that I will be able to show you. Otherwise, this is it, and join me. I'm a guest artist on Nate's art collab on this Sunday, so you can join me on my premiere if you want. I love it. I love it. It's a dramatic piece. Maybe I will add just a little black here just to cover this corner, but otherwise I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.